Hey world, Jessica Kirsh here. I am outside of Uncharted Tiny Homes right here. And you've seen me go through their website on YouTube, and I'm here in person, and they just gave me a quick tour of the back factory. So I'm about to show you. So here we go. Drool emoji, drool video. So this is the, look, I'm 5'10", and it's actually tall enough for me. Toilet, shower. Okay, so Bree, the price of this as it stands, what would it be? I know it's already sold.
Yes, as it is right now, it is $70,000.
$70,000, okay.
That is with discounts. He's also the one that has a tiny home community up in Flagstaff, so there was a bulk discount.
Oh, nice. Okay. So probably a bunch of stuff I'm not qualified for, but that's okay. Okay, so how big is this loft area?
It's about 8 feet.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah, it's really spacious.
Did you guys hear that? 8 feet. I'm 5'10", so I've been sleeping in my car like when I travel, which is a small hatchback.
Yeah.
It's not very fun.
Oh.
Okay, so this is called the
Limited model.
Limited model. Okay. Very cool. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Just want to do a quick walk around. Wow, that's so dreamy. What's the timeline?
So right now we just sold a huge project, which is 30 builds.
Wow, okay.
So that bumped us up to about 9 to 10 months wait time with a 2-month build time.
Okay, all right. Oh, I like that there's like a lock and everything on it.
Yeah, it makes it a lot easier. You can change it on your phone because he does Airbnb. So if you want to change the code every time a new person comes in, you can do that.
This is Bree, everybody.
Hi.
I know she's not mic'd up, but yeah, you're so helpful. Thank you. Do you mind if we just walk back through there and I'll show?
Yeah, these are some trailers we're going to get started on too.
So this is $70,000 built out, but that was with discounts. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's the big whammy. This one is 75 base, and this is called the mini mansion? Mansion Elite. Okay, you mind if I go back in? And that's the Discovery series. Look at this. This place is amazing. Wow. You can tell they have spray foam insulation. That's for a full shower. Look, there's a window. Toilet. This place is way bigger than I would need. But wow, is it beautiful. Okay, and then over here would be like my live stream area. Can't you see? Look, I can stand up. Ah, so cool. Yeah, dreamy. And then up there is where Stella and I would sleep. This place is enormous, and look at the siding. Thank you so much. So that's the Mansion Elite. Okay. And then this one is which one again?
The Adventure Series.
The Adventure Series. Okay, and the difference for this one is?
It's more of a camper, so it's gonna last about a month.
Okay.
And it's gonna have solar and everything, and then the tiny home's livable. It lasts as long as you basically keep it to last.
Okay, so this is the Adventure Series right here, like a camper. And something like that, what's the pricing for that?
So
Base pricing.
This one right here is gonna be around $45,000 to $50,000.
That's better. Okay, cool. Look at all the windows and stuff. That's so cool.
And then if you ever want to stop by within the next few months, that one over there is going to be absolutely beautiful. It's 35 feet long, 10 feet wide, and the ceilings.
I would love to stop by again. This is so cool. Thank you for showing me. I appreciate this. This is so much fun. You guys are the #1 rank in Google, by the way.
Yeah.
So that's good. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Thank you. And then you can take one of our brochures.
Yeah, thank you.
A little bit more information.
Thanks so much.
Okay, girl.
All right, I just wanted to say this is Jessica Kirsh here, and I'm going to get some information on financing, and I will get back to you and let you know the situation is with Uncharted Tiny Homes. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.